Welcome to Building Tips with Mr. Rock. We're going to cover a wide range of things, so why don't we look and see what we have to get started. So today's building tip, we're going to talk about making a little cart. So this is actually a mail cart that I have in one of my Lego sets that I use to teach with. It's the Community Helpers kit from like 4 years ago. They don't even make it anymore. So in it came with these smaller wheels and all the pieces to make this little cart. So I want to make a cart using the bulk Legos that we have here, just like I have been everything else. And again, all the colors aren't going to match because the whole point is to show the individual pieces as we go, so that when you go do your own creation, you can use whatever colors you want. So you're going to need a couple wheels. These wheels are pretty standard in most of the individual bulk block kits. Depending on how big your cart is, you're going to need a 2x4 plate or a 2x6. If you wanted to go wider, you could use even like a 3x3, 3x4, 3x6, whatever you have around. If you need to make it longer and you do not have the 2x6, you can use a 2x2 plate to add to it. You're also going to need a 1x2 element, and then you're going to need one of these pieces here that you would use for like a hinge. That's actually going to be our handle. So I'm going to tilt the camera down and show you how I put this together. So I'm going to make mine a little longer just to kind of show you guys how I did that. First, you're going to take one of the wheels and attach it to the one side. And then you're going to take this other wheel and you're going to leave one group of studs off, and that's where this 4x4 plate comes in. So you're going to put that like so. Now we're not going to put anything up here, because if you want to put boxes like in this one, that'll actually help secure from the top. So this is just your basic initial design. So if you do extend it, you're going to want to put your element off to the back here. And then you're going to want to take that piece that we're going to use as a handle and put it on like so. So if I bring down one of my Lego characters and sit it next to it, we're right at the right height for them to stand next to it with their arm clipped onto it. So you can see that it is like that. So I hope this is really helpful in kind of giving your build some extra creativity, some life to it. I know oftentimes we focus primarily on just building the buildings. This gives us stuff that goes with it. So look forward to giving you guys more tips. Thanks.